Welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Today's video is a review over the Tokyo rig. So here it is. Comes with the hook, swivel that you tie your line to, and another swivel. It's got this coming down, and I slid this 3/4 ounce sinker on it and just bent it up a little bit, keep it from coming off there. Alright, I got the Tokyo rig from Amazon. Let's see what it'll do. Got a red shad worm on there. Second cast. Not a big one, but got a good hook set. Nice. Let's go for bigger. Another little one. On the swim bait with the Tokyo rig. Caught 3, caught 2 on the red shad worm and 1 on the swim bait. Nothing big, but they were good hook sets. Never did lose one. Thought I had a few bites, probably bluegill. But thanks for watching. Please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Until next time, have a great day.